Welcome to the third part of my Physics 101 tutorial, and this time we will talk about the center of mass. You already see that this rigid body UI is not complete, and I do not like it because the max angular velocity is not shown here, and the other thing that is not shown here is the center of mass. And the center of mass, you see the red dot here, is just a script I created. And it just draws a sphere where the center of mass is, and the center of mass is accessible via script from the rigid body. So this rigid body is static, this uses gravity, and let's see what will happen. As you expect, the thing will fall over, and that's it. And if we specify that the center of mass is here, directly above the cube, you will see it won't fall over. So we can change the center of mass slowly here, and it will fall over, or here. And this can really help you with some objects. For example, if you want to have some constructions like this, or you want to set the center of mass